Whew. Guys, as you all can see, my car is filled. I gotta go back inside and get the other half. This is just the first half. And believe it or not, this one up here, they are almost sold out of that particular one. Oh my God, the sale just started today.
Hey guys, welcome back to Container Crops with Scaredy Cat Gardener. I am in my garage this morning. This is a quick video. I just wanted to show you all what I am stocking up on because as you can see, I'm in short sleeves and it's nice outside. And I don't think we're going to get any more freezing temperatures here in my zone. Okay guys, let's go on over and so guys, I got about 25 bags total of potting soil mix. This is the one that you see in my videos all the time. And it was on sale. It comes to a local grocery store, Lidl's here. I don't know who has Lidl's where you are. I don't think there are too many across the US at least, but they had a sale. And I actually bought two different kinds. This is the kind you see in my videos. The sale was, these bags were $3.99 each or 4 for $10, okay? The sale ran, it started yesterday. They got their truck in yesterday. I got this is the actual potting soil. Now, although I am growing in containers only, pretty much, I did pick up some all-purpose garden soil. Now these bags were 5 for $10 or $2.99. Now the catch was you couldn't go in there and buy 1 or 2 bags. In order to get the sale, you had to buy the 5 or the 4 bags. So I actually got 20 bags of this one, the Just Natural potting mix, and I got 5 bags of these. Don't ask me why when I'm doing all containers, but for some reason something's telling me I need to put, or I can put, or I should put. And I don't know which one is telling me, but something's telling me to put some of this garden soil in with my potting mix. Not a lot, just a little bit. So anyway, it was on sale, so I got it. But guess what, guys? They said no rain checks. They weren't getting any more in. And when I got to the store yesterday afternoon, now granted, the truck just came in the night before. When I got to the store, there were 10 of these left. I got 5, I left 5. And there were probably about 50, maybe, of these bags. And I started to wait till this morning. My goodness. So I've also got over here, guys, I bought some more pots. I bought these quite a minute ago. But these are the same pots that you see outside of my garden. These are about 13 to 15 gallons. So I typically put 3 to 4 plants in each one. And that's going to be my add-on. I've got 6 of these out here. These are going to be my add-on for what I already have. I already have 4 out there, plus I have those other large brown containers. Now these over here, these are my cages for my tomatoes, but you know what? I use those as trellis or anything else. And these are just a little dollar store trellises, but they work. There's a 3. I thought I had 5, might be 2 more still outside. So I've got some other things on order. And as soon as that stuff comes in, I'm headed to the yard, guys. We are going to go out in the yard. I'll probably do a live when I'm planting some of the stuff so I can chat with you guys. But you know, if you haven't gotten started, if your supply places have something and they have it on sale, guys, you need to get on the ball, get over there and get it, okay? I'm just saying. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, so that's gonna do it for today. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. Have you all started stocking up? Do you have any sales in your area? What are you using? And more importantly, tell me what you think about my mixing this potting mix with this garden soil. Now I'm not going to mix a lot, but maybe a few cups in with it. I don't know. Something's just telling me to do this, and I don't know if something's telling me wrong or what. So you guys fill me in the comments. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I love each and every one of you guys. I enjoy you so much. And I will see you next time. But remember, anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant. And I will see you on the trail.